In this video, I will show you how to find Korean friends on Kakaotalk. First of all, open the Kakaotalk application. You will see 4 tabs at the bottom. Tap on the second tab, Chats. Your chats with everybody will appear here. Tap on the plus chat icon at the top right side. At the top, you will see different options to start a chat, and here at the center of the screen, there are some topics which are commonly used by Kakaotalk users. Select any of it. For example, if I tap on New Jeans from here, related groups will be shown on screen. From the options available at the top, look for the option Open Profile. Tap on it, and you will see profiles of the Korean people. Select any of it. Now, if you want to start chat, tap on one-on-one open chat here at the center of the screen. Select your profile with which you want to send the message. Now enter the text here and wait for them to reply you. Make sure to keep your profile attractive by having a nice profile photo or by adding some interesting bio so that people may reply you and you can become friends with them. Be polite and respectful in your conversations to build a good rapport. Additionally, learning a few basic Korean phrases can go a long way in showing your interest and sincerity in making friends.